Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Henry. And Henry, as you may recall, we did his surgery day video on our website, and he's here now for a 1-year follow-up. So this is his final result, and I'm going to put some side-by-sides up there, and you can really see it's like a different person, night and day from what he had before. So Henry, tell us about the process as it was coming in, and then tell us about how you feel about your final result and how it's affected you positively.
Well, to be honest, it's like the best thing I've ever done. The process was great. Within 3 months, I already started feeling the little hairs growing along with the hairs that I have, not too many, but the hairs that I had before. And dude, I did it in February, so I would say by summertime, June, July, everything was great. Everything started, being even, and it's definitely a confidence booster. Everybody loves it. They can't believe it.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
Awesome.
It's definitely changed my life.
Awesome.
Thank you, Dr. Huebner.
No, of course. Let's show off your hair a little bit. If you want to put your chin down to the chest in real time, so I'll show people, look at the difference between his before and after. I mean, completely natural. Let's have you turn to the, pick your head back up and go to the left or right side. Let's do a left side. Yeah, there we go. So in real time, again, look how much different he looks. Yep, and let's go around to the other side. Again, same thing. Wow. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. And in terms of the scar, so I'm going to show a scar now. I'm going to turn you around here. Sorry. All right. So his scar, he had a procedure prior to coming to me. So he went to another company, another doctor, and they did this bottom scar right here. So this scar is not from me.
That's a butcher.
That was from the butcher, right? This scar is from me. So you can barely see it. It looks like a little maybe crease in the hair.
Exactly.
Like a wrinkle, like he just got a hat or something. And look how short he has his hair. So at this length, this would probably be the lowest he would want to go.
Exactly.
But this is the type of scar that he should have. He should have had that from the first one.
Yes.
But you can see that he's probably got it at a 1.
Probably a 1, yeah. And I got a haircut this morning.
Right. So most guys got to have it between a 2 and a 3, but the point is it doesn't look like this.
Exactly.
There is a difference in terms of where you go in terms of scars. So, all right, man. Well, Henry, thank you so much for showing off your hair.
Awesome.
Anything you would tell people that are considering a hair transplant, whether it's natural, whether it works?
I say come to Dr. Huebner, man. He is the best natural hair transplant.
The most awesome thing about this is that when he's 70 years old, he's going to have that hairline, right? Yeah. So he never has to worry about that again. So
that would be great, man.
Thanks again, Henry. Thanks for sharing your journey.
Appreciate
it. You got it. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.